Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Viber outs for international calls. So with your direct provider, the operating system, you can actually call through the international numbers, but it will cost you a huge money. But Viber out will help you to reduce that cost, comparing that operating system to get in call with that international numbers. So first you have to log into your Viber account, then simply click on this call icon here, simply the phone icon at the bottom, and the second option is that now from here you will find the Viber free call or Viber out call. So the Viber out call will actually help you to call everyone else using credit. So you can use your credit to call everyone in the world. It's in any corner of this world. So you can simply click on continue, then you can find the Viber out. So you have to buy the credit first from the Viber, so it will show you the list how much the Viber the credit is cost to you. So you can simply buy that credit here, and you are able to able to use that Viber out for international calls. So simply here you'll find that when you have just enough credit, then you can simply click on this keypad button here at the bottom right side. Then you'll find some keypad here, so you have to enter that number, you have to type that number perfectly and correctly, then you can just call to that person with that credit. So here you can see it is one of the amount that in Nepal, if you want to call in Nepal, then 90 minutes for just $12 per month, so you have to pay for that. So that type of credit you will get, and the cost also. So that's how you can actually use Viber out international calls. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.